Okay, this is part 2 of the BigCommerce tutorial. It cut off, so I was just showing you everything that you needed to do for the product side, but if you're needing to make content changes on the main pages, if you're like me, at first it took a while to find where those pages were. So if you go back to this dashboard here and you click on storefront, it's very helpful because that's where it will show you web pages. So storefront and then look for web pages. When you get to the web pages, that shows you your main pages that people are seeing in your nav bar, which are events and shows about the brand and everything. So it can take you a while to look for those if you're in the product section, because it's not going to show these. So if there's edits or typos on the main page about the brand or anything in the navigation bar, that's where you would do those. Just one point. If it has an X right here, that means it's not visible, but all you have to do is click it or unclick it and it would be visible to everybody. So just taking a quick look at the events and shows, because that's probably the section you would use the most often. There are a couple of different things you can do with this page. One thing that's really nice is you can always link to another website or a document. So if you wanted to just have a Word document and you want to just keep that updated somewhere, that's always an option. It keeps you from having to program and go into this page. But if you have something like a YouTube video, which is great, you can always have that and insert a link to it. Or if it's just a flyer or an image or an invite or something like that, you just click on that icon that looks like a tree. And then this may not look like it's clickable, but it is, so don't overlook that. It says upload image. Just choose the file, and we'll use the one we used before. So you just click on whatever's on your desktop. So you always want to have that ready to, or it'll slow it down. And then you just hit choose. So it takes for a couple of seconds for it to upload, but it should load right into this text box, whatever the image is. And you can upload more than one image, or you can group the images together first. Okay, it shows that it already exists on the server. So I've already uploaded that, so it's actually going to show up in an image from my gallery. So if that happens, just look right here. It means it's one of your existing images you've already uploaded, which is nice. So then now all you have to do is hit insert. This entire image looks like it is inserted here. From the view you're looking at, it may not always show everything the way it will show ultimately, but you can always go to view. So from here, that's the only thing I needed to add. I'll just say save, and in this case, exit, because that's all I needed. But I always like to see how things look, so the very next thing I'll do is just go to the view of the store and go to the event and shows and get an idea of how that looks. So what's nice is it looks really good right there. So now that is inserted in and it looks fantastic. So those are some of the key things. You can see here are the bars that we were talking about and some of the things that are coming up. If you need anything else, just feel free to email me or text me, and we'll go from there. Thanks.